My name is Sam Stosh, and I'm the executive chef and partner at King's Kitchen and King's Bakery. Back here, we need to get another convection oven, and also that's the only mixer that we have, and pastry and bread have to share it. This is the only freezer that we have, and we support 4 restaurants with desserts. So we're working on a 1 combi oven right now for one whole entire restaurant, making everything from scratch, doing roasts, pot roast, roasting our own turkey for our turkey sandwiches, making biscuits and cornbread out of one very small oven. It's very challenging.
Since I've started working at the King's Kitchen, my attitude is better. I wasn't so friendly when I first received the job, but I'm friendlier now and I smile a lot more. If we were to have an upgraded kitchen, I think the ticket times and the prepping times and the cooking times will be much faster and people will be happier in and out the door.